Hello children, in previous videos we studied about term related to the reflection, in which we studied about incidence rays, reflected rays, normal, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, point of incidence, reflecting surface and so on. Now in this video, using these terms, we will discuss that how image form by plane mirror when object is a point object. In this diagram, M dash shows as a plane mirror, O is the point object, and rays OP and OQ are the incident rays, and PA and QB is the reflected rays. PN and QN dash are the normal. Now, let us consider that a point object O kept in the front of the plane mirror M dash. Okay. The rays of light travel out in all directions. Okay. From this point object. Now we will discuss only two rays, OP and OQ, which are traveling from the point object and incident on the mirror at the point P and Q. These two rays reflected PA and QB. Draw perpendicular line PN and QN dash on mirror at a point P and Q. These two lines PN and QN dash are the normals. Children, we know very well that the laws of the reflection, that is the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection for the each incident ray and its corresponding reflected ray are equal to each other. So we can say angle I1 is equal to angle R1, means OPN is equal to angle NPA. This angle OPN is equal to NPA. Okay. Now consider second rays OQ N dash is equal to N dash QB, means I2 is equal to R2. Again children, angle I1 is equal to angle R1 and angle I2 is equal to R2. When PA and QB extended backward, both lines meet at the point I behind the mirror. This is the place where image form of the object O. We will see that the distance between OS is equal to SI, means this distance is equal to this one. Okay. Or we can say the image formed is far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Or we can say if you stand 1 meter in front of the plane mirror, your image will form behind the 1 meter of the mirror. Okay, means this distance is equal to this one. OS is equal to OSI. So children, in this video we studies about the image formed by a plane mirror when object is a point object. Thank you.